Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right inside Settings, no extra prep. Open Settings, then Accessibility, and go to Visibility Enhancements or Accessibility Shortcut. That's where Samsung keeps magnification. Once there, tap Magnification or Magnifier to see its options. You want to stop the gesture and shortcut immediately, so find the toggle labeled Magnify with triple tap or Magnification shortcut and prepare to switch it off. This stops the accidental zoom that interrupts your workflow and clears the primary activation methods. Now focus on the controls that actually enable the magnifier. Flip off Magnify with triple tap to stop gesture activation, then toggle off the magnification shortcut or the general accessibility shortcut so the icon won't appear. If your One UI shows a separate Show Magnifier window or Magnifier button option, turn that off as well. Once done, make sure all magnification toggles read off. These steps remove both the gesture and any persistent on-screen shortcut that summons the magnifier. Finish by testing. Triple tap or use the previous trigger to confirm the magnifier no longer appears. If it still activates, restart the phone to clear cached services, then recheck the accessibility toggles. As one key troubleshooting tip, reset accessibility settings, settings right arrow accessibility right arrow advanced settings right arrow reset, or boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps. Make sure you save any custom accessibility presets before resetting so you can restore preferences afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.